see, a whole lot of people love the idea of promotion, but don't like what the promotion brings. Promotion brings pain. Any promotion, I don't care if it's secular, sacred, I don't care what it is. You will, well, no, it's a great thing to be promoted. The promotion itself, you get a trophy, you get a certificate, but after that comes major responsibility. Say, wow, you got promoted to shift supervisor. Well, the same people you used to co-work with, now they can't stand you because your seat changed. Now you over us. Promotion brings pain. And guess what promotion brings with the pain? When you get promoted, you got to have pain and patience. So if you can't tolerate pain and patience, don't get promoted. But much is given, much is required. Not show up. Watch them say, and they're supposed to be elders? Watch. Be late. And they got ordained. I ain't even ordained. I'm here more than they are. Oh, watch what I tell you. Now people need communion in prison. They need communion in the hospital. They need communion in the nursing home. You can't be so busy. I ain't got time to do all that. Well, then don't get promoted. Because promotion comes with pain and patience. When you are a disciple, it's not elitism, it's discipleship. And out of all the stuff you see going on secular social media, they're talking about getting blessed and getting favor and getting increase. You don't hear nothing about discipleship, about being a follower of Jesus. Because when you become a follower of him, your seat's got to change. You don't represent yourself, you represent him. And you got to love people that can't stand you. You got to do good to people that despitefully use you. You can't give people the same energy that they're giving you. Oh my God, when they take your coat, give them your cloak also. You got to feed people that can't stand you. You got to make provision for people that are no good and trifling. You got to forgive liars and backbiters and thieves. Am I preaching to anybody here? It's not because you're so gracious, it's the seat that you sit in because you said, I am a disciple of Jesus Christ. And when you got saved, your seat should have changed. What do you mean? Just what I said. Things you used to do, you don't do anymore. Places you used to go, you don't go anymore. Because your seat changed. Slap somebody a high five and tell them my seat changed. And you'll know your seat has changed because some of the same people that used to love you, now they hate you.